Watch.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy Dash Resource LLC. Your business is my business. You are now tuned into Sales Stocks Not Dope. We're here every Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m. Listen, I'm here early today, man. I'm here early. I don't want to hear y'all complaining about when I be showing up late, because I showed up here and I'm really here early, and it's great. So I'm going to tell y'all how y'all been trading stocks compared to how I trade stocks. This is part 2, right? So I'm about to give y'all a play right now how y'all can invest right now. It's uncertain times right now of inflation, presidential races going on right now. A lot of things uncertain right now, so a lot of times you got to find yourself grounded in how you should invest. And where I invest during these uncertain times, I go to dividends, right? So I already broke down before, but I'll go over it again of between a dividend and a regular stock, right? So I'll give you an example, right? A dividend stock, let's go regular stock. Regular stock, you make money off the stock going up, right? So if the stock, you bought it at $1, it was $2, you sold it for $1, you made a profit, right? A dividend stock, the stock can stay at the same price that it's at. It can lose money in value. You can still make money based off it paying you quarterly. A dividend stock pays you to hold it. So let's go to the big board, right? So right now, right, I gave you an example of 3 stocks that you could buy that will pay you every single month, right? So for instance, PepsiCo, McDonald's, and AT&T, right? If you look at PepsiCo, they pay you in January. Your dividend check is going to hit in January, right? So then the next one, January, you go to AT&T, they're going to pay you in February, right? And we can go through the whole list of every single month that's on this list, right? So I got the prices here that's associated with it. So AT&T, $14.11. You got McDonald's, almost $300 a share. PepsiCo, almost $200, right? So I always say these long variants because I don't know when you're going to view the video, so let's make sure we still hit the numbers right. So the reason why I say this is because not saying go buy these 3 stocks, right? Because it's not financial advice, only giving you coaching, right? Not saying buy these 3 stocks, but get in the mind state of buy stocks that's going to pay you to hold it, right? I call them wifey stocks. They pay you just to hold it, right? They are. That's the stock that's going to rub your back. That's the stock that's going to make sure your food is cooked. That's the stock that's going to make sure your clothes are clean. Those are wifey stocks. They're going to pay you to hold it, right? So get into the mindset of that. But also for y'all who are working 9 to 5, think about where can you get something like that in abundance, right? So again, this right here is my example right here, which is, this is an elevator, right? You got one elevator right here that only has stock on it, right? This one elevator has one line of how you're gonna get paid. The stock only get paid when the elevator go up, right? When the elevator go down, you done. If this cord is cut, so let's say this stock is Tesla, right? If Tesla go down, the whole thing go down, right? So this right here is dividends. A lot of times dividends pepper something inside of your mutual fund. That's what the MS stands for, not for what y'all think it is. They ain't mother. You know what I mean? Mutual fund, right? So in a mutual fund, you will have multiple stocks within that. So you will have an AT&T, you will have a McDonald's, you will have a PepsiCo. So let's say AT&T goes down, your stock still stays solid. McDonald's goes down, your stock still stays solid. Your Pepsi goes down, your stock still stays solid. So the reason I'm trying to say is, if you have a mutual fund and you are comprised with a bunch of these stocks that pay dividends, you're better than someone who's only buying and selling stocks. Right? So again, a dividend of stock that pays you quarterly. That means this is going to be as sure as it's going to rain, as sure as it's going to be. Like the same way meteorologists can tell you what the weather going to be, I can tell you that these are going to pay out every single one of these months. I already wrote out for you specifically. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, December, November. You know the vibes, man. Sell Stocks Not Dope every Sunday at 8 o'clock p.m. Welcome to the cool table, man. Make sure you guys take notes on this. Again, it's lit. Short and sweet for y'all. Bang.